Hello guys, what if you could design your perfect AI girlfriend, custom looks, personality, and a voice that talks back?
Let's vibe to some lofi beats. Your brain deserves a soft reboot. Did I just crash your algorithm? Or was that part of your master plan all along?
Today I'll show you how to create an AI girlfriend that talks for free using two killer tools, ImagineArt for her face and Vidnoz to make her speak. No coding, no creepy sci-fi labs, just your imagination. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. First, what is ImagineArt? ImagineArt is an excellent AI image generator that crafts hyper-realistic or anime-style characters from text, perfect for designing your AI girlfriend's face, outfit, even her vibe. Here is how to create AI girlfriend with ImagineArt in 3 steps. Step 1. Go to ImagineArt website and sign up for an account. Tap Image Studio and select Face Portrait. Enter your prompts or try the pictures below. Step 2. Click Generate. 4 AI girlfriend portraits will be created instantly. Choose your favorite to continue. Next, you can design her style or outfit. Step 3. Enter detailed descriptions in the box and choose models, effects, and number of images. Click Generate again. Your beautiful AI girlfriend will be ready in seconds. Now download the stunning image. Next, let's make her talk using Vidnoz. Vidnoz's free talking avatar creator turns static images into talking videos, giving your AI girlfriend a voice or expressions with ease.
Welcome to Vidnoz. Let's create some engaging videos together.
Here's how. Step 1. Head to Vidnoz AI talking photo website and create your account. Upload your AI girlfriend image. Step 2. Then enter the text you want her to say. You can also select language, voice, and expressions. Step 3. Click Generate Video. Wait for a while and watch her come to life with perfect lip sync.
No matter how your day went, I'm always here to hold you and remind you how loved you are.
Now download the video for free. That's it. Creating a talking AI girlfriend is this easy. Now it's your turn to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.